Hey everyone, my name is Daksh. For those who don't know me, I am a full-time professional forex trader and investor. I am also the CEO of Forex Monopoly and Forex Inner Circle. I am known for converting small accounts into big ones. In simple terms, people know me because of my skill of doubling or even tripling my trading accounts or investment in matter of weeks. In the past, I have grown my $200 trading investment into $4,000 and my $5,000 account into $45,000. I have done this multiple times in the past. I was able to achieve all these results through forex trading. The forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Forex is a multi-trillion dollar industry. I think I forgot to mention, forex is a multi-trillion dollar a day industry. Yes, a day. This is how huge forex trading is. That's why forex is the largest financial market in the world. I still remember the day when I was introduced to this amazing industry. I was in my college and I was looking online for ways to make money. So I came across forex. There were things that really impressed me and made me start forex trading. Things like laptop and internet connection. You can get started with a laptop and internet connection. Freedom. Forex trading provided me with the freedom to work anywhere I want and whenever I want. I was not restricted to work at a specific place or at a specific time. Money. I know we all are here for the same reason, to make money. I saw that forex trading had an extremely high potential for making money. Part-time. I was a student at that time. I was searching for something that I could do part-time, and forex can be done part-time. At that time, I didn't know that this would turn out into a full-time profession. Now, in this class, I am going to introduce you to the industry and help you get started with it. When I started learning about forex in my early trading days, there was very little information about forex on the internet. And the information which was available online was very difficult and complex to understand for a beginner in the forex industry. There was a lot of misinformation about forex on the internet, which made me lose a lot of money. But you don't have to worry about it. This course is designed in such a way that you will be able to go from a complete stranger to forex to an expert in forex trading. I have compiled everything you will need to know about forex in this course. But that's not it. I have explained each and every concept of forex in the most practical and simplified manner so that you can understand the complex topics of forex easily. After this class, you will be able to understand the forex market, understand how the forex market works and why does the price of the currency changes. You will be able to master all the basics of forex, use the software required to trade in forex. You will be able to start your trading account and choose a proper broker. This is a complete guide for anyone who wants to get started in forex. But that's not it. I have also included a video that will help you choose the right trading styles according to your personality, need and time. Choosing the right trading style is very important for anyone. I have never seen people or traders talking about it. This video will help you choose the right trading style for you and will also help you start in the right direction. This course includes all the important skills, knowledge, facts and information that you will ever require to get started with forex. One more thing I would like to add, I will be always here to help you. If in case you have any questions regarding any topic in my class, I will be always here to clear all your doubts personally so that you can get the best of this whole class. So without wasting any time, let's get started.